What's up everyone, welcome to Detox Proxy. I've got a very short product review for you today. It's a folding camp chair by a company called Novsight. Now they reached out to me to try and get me to review some LED lights for my vehicle, and they have a whole assortment of those products. I've already got a lot of LED lighting, and I kind of went through their website and I was like, oh, maybe you guys want me to review one of these, and they sent me the folding camp chair for review. Now I am currently out here camping. I figure what better time to review this product. It comes in a nice short compact lightweight bag. Now the chair itself is kind of rolled up in the bag, but it comes out of there pretty easily. There's two parts to it, the framework and the fabric seating. It's just two Velcro straps that hold all the framework together. The thing starts to try and almost build itself, which is pretty cool. Just kind of almost shake it around a little bit and the arms will start locking into place. Very quick to assemble, and it's pretty much ready for the seating to be laid onto it. Well, not quite, but almost. Okay, so I'm pretty sure the seat sits like this. I've never actually assembled this before, so I think that would go like that. On the back side of the seat, there's these little pockets that the arms can go into. So I'm just going to start the bottom ones on. On the back side of it, the pockets are a little bit longer. They're right up in here, so we'll slide these rear poles up into there. All right, so I just figured out you have to get the back on first. Because the pockets on the bottom are that much smaller and they're that much easier to reach over top, like that. The last one will be a little bit of a stretch. And that's that. It's got a nice little mesh screen back here. You can actually open up the flap, let all the nice airflow come through. Let's give it a try here. Oh, oh yeah. Now I've seen other people have these kind of fold-out chairs. I've never tried one before, but it gets you right down in a lounge position, almost like a little bit of a hammock kind of feel, I guess. You're kind of suspended in it a little bit, more so than my other camp chair anyway. Yeah, so it looks like here on the bottom you can actually just pull that out and lock it up a little bit higher. Do that for each leg. Oh, we don't want to pull the whole leg out. Oh yeah, that's going to be a little better for sure. Yeah, see, the main reason I wanted this chair was for kayak camping. When I go onto the kayak, this chair is going to be like half the size, half the weight of my full-size chair that I wouldn't take anyway. Can use the kayak seat, but this would be so much better. I could see the framework's a little narrow, and it could kind of dig into your legs as time goes on, but kind of just sit here and, you know, have a little read or chill out by the campfire. It's going to be perfect. And here you can just get an idea of the cushion. It just kind of straps up here on the back side. Pull it down, kind of put it where you want it. You get the idea. I mean, it's just a small little bit piece of cushion, not a lot to it. It's got water bottle holders on both sides, and then a little pouch up here in the front. You probably hold your cell phone or music player or whatever you got. And then you can see up here on the back, there's some kind of Velcro strap going across that you could probably hang molly bag or, you know, put some tools in if that's what you're going to use it for. Now, Novsight did sponsor this video and send me the chair, although they did allow me to choose the product, and I'm so glad that I chose this one. It's something that I'm actually going to be able to use moving forward. To get some more lighting for one of my vehicles wasn't that interesting at the time. They sent this to me a couple months ago, so I'm a little late getting out this video, but I'm glad that you know, I got to try it out, and it's something that I'm going to take with me on my future trips for sure. If you like this video and this review, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.